Hey everyone, wanted to show you a big update we've made to CaptionPad. Imagine your grandmother or grandfather is sitting at a dinner table, they can't hear what anyone's saying, so you bought CaptionPad, they have it here, and you have the microphone that comes with CaptionPad, and you have many family members all around the dinner table, you're passing this microphone back and forth. It might get a little bit annoying at some point. So what we've done is we've allowed you to now take your own smartphone and connect it to CaptionPad, and you can now use your smartphone as a microphone. So everyone at the table can have their own microphone. Could be really useful if you have a big family, if you're at Thanksgiving, something like that. So I'll show you the app on the smartphone. You can go ahead and put your own name. So if you have many people talking, it's just a little bit more clear who is saying what. Go ahead and enable the microphone if you need to. And now you have this push and hold to talk button. So I'll show you that as soon as I push this down and hold it and start talking, this caption pad, which your grandma or grandpa would have with them, they'll be able to read from it immediately. So I could say, "Would you please pass the butter?" So you can see there's my name that I put in, "Would you please pass the butter?" Now, why would you want this instead of just having your grandma or grandpa with a smartphone and downloading an app? Well, it's because they can't do anything to swipe out of this or get confused or mess it up. So that's really the main point here. So now everybody has this app. You can do other things with the app. You can make a correction. Maybe you didn't mean to say butter. So you could go back, and bear with me, I'm doing this with one hand. You could say, "Oh, actually, I wanted the salt." Okay, so you can submit the correction, and then on the caption pad, it changes to salt. So it gives you a little flexibility there. And then you can go into CaptionPad settings, and you can change any of the settings here. So for example, you might want to turn on a profanity filter. You might want to allow your grandparents to scroll. Right now I have it set to no scroll. Single utterance, so they only see one thing at a time instead of maybe many things coming in. You can also change the font size, things like that. So I'll just change the font size down a little bit so you guys can see how it works. So I turned it down, hit save, and you can see the font size is smaller. So you can have everybody at the table using a smartphone, and they can connect to the conversation. If there were more, you can see other people's name here come up. And the default microphone would still work as well. So if someone doesn't have a smartphone, they can have the default microphone. Everybody else can connect with their smartphones. And yep, that's about it. So if you have any questions, let me know, and I'll try to help you out. Thanks.